Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the seventh question in exercise 11.2. For the function you have defined by f of x is equal to kx squared minus 5x plus 4, f dash of 3 is equal to 37. Find the value of k. So let's note down first what is given. F of x is given by kx squared minus 5x plus 4. Now they have told us that f dash of 3 is equal to 37 and they're asking us what is the value of k. So first let's compute f dash of x. So f dash of x is nothing but differentiation of this input. K is going to be a constant. So k into differentiation of x squared is 2x. So k into 2x. Differentiation of minus 5x is minus 5. This plus 4 on differentiation is 0. So I'm not writing that. So this is 2kx minus 5. Now what is given to us is f dash of 3. So f dash of 3 is nothing but wherever there is x, I'm substituting 3. So 2 into k into 3 minus 5. So 6k minus 5, but this value is equated as 37 because that's what is given to us. So now let's see, 6k minus 5 is equal to 37. So 6k is equal to 37 plus 5, which is 42. 6k is 42, therefore k is equal to 7. This is what they asked us to find, and that's what we have done. In the next video, we will see how to solve the eighth question in this exercise.
Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.